Hello and welcome to Wonder Garden. To keep your orchid garden blooming beautifully and to give you more options in orchid care, today I'll share with you a simple organic fertilizer recipe made entirely from familiar kitchen ingredients. It's natural, safe, and anyone can do it at home. When applied correctly, you'll notice strong, healthy white roots, shiny, vibrant green leaves, long flower spikes with evenly blooming, radiant blossoms. Watch until the end to discover this natural care secret that helps every plant in your garden thrive with energy and color. Let's get started. The first ingredient I'm using is coffee grounds. Coffee grounds are actually rich in nutrients. They contain about 4% nitrogen, 3% potassium, and 1% phosphorus, all of which are essential for plant growth. First, I'll add 3 spoonfuls of coffee grounds into the cup like this. Next, I add, 500 milliliters of warm water. Estourings into the cup to dissolve the mixture. Then stir well so that the coffee grounds blend evenly with the warm water. This helps natural minerals such as nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, along with beneficial organic compounds, disperse evenly. Finally, cover the container and let the mixture sit for about 1 hour. In the meantime, I'll lightly rinse the orchid pot. This isn't just a routine step. It's an important technique that helps wake up the roots and prepare them to absorb nutrients more effectively. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. When rinsed with clean water, the growing medium becomes evenly moistened while washing away accumulated salts, dust, and other impurities around the roots. As a result, the environment surrounding the roots becomes more airy and fresh, allowing them to breathe and exchange nutrients more efficiently. When the organic fertilizer solution is applied afterward, the nutrients will penetrate faster and distribute more evenly, allowing the plant to fully absorb them without fertilizer shock or root burn. After rinsing, gently lift the plant out and let it rest. This helps it stabilize its moisture level and begin the nutrient exchange process. After 1 hour, I strain out the residue and keep only the nutrient-rich liquid. This extract contains natural minerals and beneficial organic compounds found in coffee grounds. It helps inhibit harmful bacteria and mold while fostering a healthy microbial environment around the roots, supporting strong growth and enhancing the plant's natural resistance. Next, I'll use 500 milliliters of clean, room temperature water to dilute the solution, and that's it. The fertilizer solution is now ready to use for your plants. Let's apply it to your orchids together. Method 1, I'll pour the prepared solution into a small cup. Then, using a soft cloth or cotton pad, gently dab the solution and carefully wipe each leaf of the orchid. When wiping the leaves, dust and residue on the surface are removed, allowing the leaves to absorb light more effectively for photosynthesis. At the same time, it reduces the risk of bacteria, mold, and pests, keeping the leaves clean, shiny, and healthy. Moreover, coffee grounds contain organic compounds and light minerals such as nitrogen, magnesium, and potassium, which help boost the vitality of the leaves, support metabolic processes, and contribute to enhancing the plant's natural disease resistance. Additionally, remember to wipe both sides of the leaves with a diluted coffee grounds solution, allowing the nutrients to penetrate better, keeping the leaves healthy, thick, and naturally glossy. This method should be performed 1 to 2 times per week to keep the leaves clean, enhance photosynthesis, reduce fungal issues, and support sustainable growth without damaging the leaf tissue. Method 2. Pour the solution into a dedicated spray bottle and evenly mist the entire plant, including the leaves, stems, roots, and leaf axils. Spraying the coffee ground solution allows the remaining natural nutrients, such as caffeine, minerals, and antioxidants, to evenly coat all parts of the plant, creating a natural protective layer that strengthens the plant and reduces attacks from harmful bacteria, fungi, and insects. Be sure to spray both the top and underside of the leaves so the solution penetrates deeply and evenly, helping to clean the leaves, enhance photosynthesis, and stimulate vigorous growth. This method should be done once a week during the first month, then reduced to once a month to maintain long-term plant health. After each spray, let the plant rest for about 15 minutes to allow the roots and leaves to fully absorb the nutrients from the coffee grounds. After 15 minutes, if there is still water on the leaves or in the leaf axils, gently wipe it off with a soft cloth or clean cotton pad. This step is crucial because standing water can create a favorable environment for fungal growth. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Once the leaves are completely dry, you effectively prevent harmful agents, reduce the risk of leaf or tip rot, and keep your orchid healthy with thick, glossy, and vibrant leaves. Method 3. I pour the coffee ground solution into a dedicated watering can, then begin watering around the base of the orchid. This watering method not only provides a rich source of natural nutrients from the coffee grounds extract, but also delivers remaining organic compounds, antioxidants, and minerals in the coffee, stimulating root growth, promoting glossy green leaves, and enhancing the plant's natural resistance. Coffee grounds are rich in potassium, nitrogen, phosphorus, and trace minerals, helping the plant absorb nutrients efficiently, restore vitality, and promote overall growth. At the same time, the natural compounds in coffee help suppress fungal diseases, improve the aeration of the growing medium, and create a favorable environment for beneficial microorganisms to thrive. It's recommended to water regularly once a week, then reduce to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain a steady supply of nutrients for the plant. When watering, do so evenly and gently, avoiding excessive water accumulation to ensure the roots absorb nutrients effectively, the growing medium stays aerated, and the risk of fungal problems is minimized. I pour the remaining solution into an ice cube tray. Then store it in the freezer for longer preservation. When the solution freezes into small ice cubes, many people have the habit of placing the ice directly at the base of the plant like this, which is completely wrong. Instead, place 3 to 5 ice cubes into a cup like this and wait about 15 minutes for them to melt. After 15 minutes, when the water has reached room temperature, pour the melted solution into each orchid pot. The natural nutrients and organic compounds from the coffee grounds, combined with the remaining gentle vitamins and minerals, are easily absorbed by the plant, supporting root development, boosting resistance, and promoting lush, healthy green leaves. Results after 2 months of care. The orchid leaves are deep green, glossy, and thick, with new leaves full of vitality, efficiently photosynthesizing and nurturing young shoots to develop evenly. The root system has grown strong, producing many plump white roots that firmly anchor into the medium, allowing the plant to absorb water and nutrients optimally. Flower buds and inflorescences grow quickly and sturdily, with large buds, bright colors, and blooms appearing in succession, creating a vibrant orchid pot that remains beautiful for weeks. This is the well-deserved reward for the patience and love you've given your plant. When nurtured properly and naturally, the orchid responds with abundant vitality and pure beauty. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the latest orchid care tips. See you again in the next video from Wonder Garden.